So tonight's dinner is something that is very, I don't want to say controversial, but I've seen different ways to cook it. I recently got back from a trip to the Midwest. Family member said, "Hey, you want to go to a Mexican restaurant?" I said, "Sure." But we're gonna go with a carne asada burrito. Now, their carne asada burrito was shredded beef. I was in Texas a couple years ago, and their carne asada burrito was ground beef. Now, that might be that certain taco shop or Mexican restaurant. That's how they did it, but that is completely wrong. I've had Tex-Mex. Certain parts of it is fine, but when it comes down to an actual burrito, here in San Diego, let's face it, we have the best Mexican food outside of Mexico. All right, so this is all you really need. Obviously, I don't have the tortillas here. We'll take care of those at the end. You should be able to get all this at your local grocery store. You got cilantro, a couple limes, Roma tomatoes, important, and some avocado because we're going to make guacamole. I've been to these places where they make American guacamole, which is it's just smashed avocado and sour cream, and it's kind of like a lime green look, or really, I don't know, like a light green, like a neon guacamole is what I call it, and an onion. And we had the meat marinating overnight. This is flank steak with the different seasonings and everything that went into marinating the And then Charlie brought me a cup. Do you have to pee in this?
No.
No? Okay.
Oh, it's spilling water.
Do you want to help me make a burrito?
That's easy peasy, macaroni and cheesy.
Okay, well you gotta stand over here because the camera's right there.
It's easy macaroni and cheesy.
Yeah. So what do you think we're making?
It looks like we're already making a salad.
A salad?
Yes.
No, we're making a carne asada burrito.
What? I don't like those. I just like regular burritos.
I know. That's why I'm gonna make you a bean and cheese burrito.
Hey, I make my own cheese burrito.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know how to do it.
You know how to do it?
Easy peasy.
Yeah. Well, tell the camera. Tell them how you make a bean and cheese burrito. Here, stand right here.
It's easy.
You gotta stand right here though.
So you need a taco. You need a taco bun, and then you roll it up. Put the lettuce. The cheese and the beans, and roll it up.
And then you have a bean and cheese burrito.
Yeah, that's how it works. That's all.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
I don't think you need any beans tonight. Oh my God, Charlie. That was totally real. That wasn't a Charter or the Charter Junior or.
That's a flight.
Okay, you got to get out of here.
No.
You're gonna turn my meat.
No.
Look at the cilantro wilted.
That's Freddy's arm.
That's Freddy's arm.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is your kitty head.
All right, go have fun.
No.
I'll tell you when it's ready.
I'll help.
You're gonna help. You're gonna help.
Yes. But
Okay, but you have to stand right here because this is where the camera's
I
pointing.
can fly like the chicken.
You can fly like a chicken.
Batman.
Okay, well, so what do we need to do first?
I forgot. The taco thing. The taco bun.
The tortilla?
Oh, yeah, the tortilla.
The tortilla?
Yeah, that's all I can say.
Right.
Yes, that's all. There's some water on there.
Okay. Well, let's get to cutting the veggies, which I seriously doubt you're going to hang out for, but...
I'll cut the avocados.
You're going to cut the avocado?
Yeah, with this tiny knife.
With a butter knife?
Yeah.
That's not going to work.
It's easy peasy.
Uh,
This is all I can do.
Okay. Well, anyways, so everything for the marinade will be in the description. I went ahead and skipped this step because it's a process and it's just easier for you to read it. It would take too much time to film it, and that'd be like a whole video in itself. Right? Right. Let's cut these veggies up.
Yay! Can I cut the avocado?
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just get the cilantro going. So we're just gonna cut right here. You're gonna throw all this away.
Wee! Like a Oreo.
Whoa.
I like Oreo. Get it? I like Oreo.
And you just want a nice fine cut.
Okay, that sounds easy. That is good.
All right, there you have it. So freshly cut up cilantro.
Oh,
So we're gonna go ahead and put that in a little bowl
that sounds fun.
because we're gonna be making a nice,
Salad.
a nice little
Salad.
pico de gallo.
Oh, what's a pico de poop out?
Well, I'm gonna show you. You wanna go with the avocado?
Yes, I love avocado. I'll cut
Okay. Are you gonna cut it? Let's take that little nipple off.
Hey. Oh, it's
But hey, that's not how you cut though, because you hurt your hand. So you hold it like this on the side.
I don't know how.
Well, you want me to cut the first one?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll cut the next. Oh,
So
I
you-
got some juice out.
Yeah, you hold it like that. You spin.
No.
Boom.
And then-
Twist.
Whoa! There's avocado seed.
Do one of these, but
No.
you probably shouldn't do that because it's a little dangerous for you.
I'll go with this tiny knife.
Okay. You want to do this one?
No. How do you do it again?
So you hold it like this.
Wait.
That's fine. That's fine.
Like this? Oh, like this? And then,
Yeah, but hold it like this.
okay, like
No. See how my hand is?
yes.
Over it. You want to cut below your hand
Okay.
because you don't want it to slip and cut your hand.
Oh, what is this?
Yeah, that knife isn't sharp enough. So I'll go ahead and cut it. Okay.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go ahead and cut the onions. These are gonna be nice and diced. And what happened, Charlie? Something bite you?
No, it was a spin. And I got hurt.
Well, don't touch it. There's sharp things down there. You know that. So here's the tomatoes all cut up. This is gonna be the base for the pico de gallo. And I was getting some great comments and suggestions for things to cook. Keep them coming because I will get to them. But yeah, we're almost there with the mixture for the pico de gallo. All we have to do now is the onion, some lime, some salt and pepper. You just want a nice sharp knife because this needs to be, yeah. All right, so you got your onion cut. Now you're gonna use some of this for your guacamole, but most of it's gonna be for your pico. Now we're gonna go ahead and start making the pico. So in a large bowl, it's gonna mix. You want to save a little bit left over for your guacamole. You can do 2 big pinches of the cilantro. 2 big pinches of cilantro. And that much onion. Then we're going to go ahead and add the pepper. Some salt. And squeeze. Now none of these ingredients are measured. It's just you want more tomato than anything. You're just going to go ahead and give it a mix. Because this is one of the main things that you actually put in your carne asada burrito. Make your guacamole. Take your halves. Add it in. And you're going to mash it. You want like full-on ripe avocados for this. All right, so you got the nice like pasty consistency. Add some cilantro. A little bit of the onion. Some tomatoes. I mean, it's pretty much the same as making the pico de gallo, but you are making a nice guacamole. Guacamole. Oops. The guacamole. It had the onions, the cilantro, the tomato, salt and pepper, lime, mixed well. How we're gonna do the meat? This is 2 different marinades. Again, they'll be down in the description. So how we're gonna do the meat? You want to do a really rare, I would say, a medium rare. Okay, we'll just go medium rare because this is going to be a 2-stage cook. So this is going to go on the grill. You want to put your grill to the highest setting if it's a gas grill, or if you got charcoal, which I prefer, but where I live it just didn't work, so I built a propane grill. Anyways, you want this to be near raw when you cook it. So you want high heat. You want the grill marks. You just want the grilling part, because then we're going to put it on. I'm going to do it on a pan because I figure most of you probably don't have a griddle. I would prefer to cook it on the griddle, but we'll just do it in a pan. Make it easier for you because you can just totally mimic it that way. And that's where you're going to get the final cook, is in the pan or griddle. So yeah, so when you are cooking on the griddle, a medium heat on the pan also. You're just going to cut, because you're going to about to put this right in the pan. So you just wanted to get like a nice crisp to it that a grill can do. You don't have to do the grill, that's just what I do. So this is what you want it to look like, little cubes like this, and it's ready for the frying pan. And we're gonna get it done and make an awesome carne asada burrito. Just like that, it's done. Tortillas. Because I live in San Diego, I have access to Mexican market tortillas. It's going to be better than what you can find in the grocery store. If you don't have a Mexican market near you, I guess the best mass-produced tortilla would probably, like texture-wise and foldability, would be Mission. But other than that, like Guerrero would be after Mission. And those are the only national brands that I know of. So we're going to go ahead and get our guacamole. And it will be juicy. Now we're going to add our pico de gallo. And that's it. That's how you make a real carne asada burrito, like you would get in San Diego. And just do the nice little fold over. Boom. Alright, so here we go. We got our carne asada burrito, like how you would get it in San Diego. Dang. Alright, let's try it. Well, I know it's going to be bomb. Tastes like Gilberto's. Tastes like El Cotijan. Just a mixture of that and the meat, the fresh pico de gallo, the fresh guacamole, the seasonings that were in the marinade, and a good tortilla. A tortilla that you're not going to find at a Vons, a Kroger, Albertsons, or what have you. Mexican market tortillas. They're fresh and they're so much better. Oh my god, I just juiced all over myself. Alright guys, so that's how you make a carne asada burrito the way it should be done. Again, comment down below on what you would like to see me cook next. Because, yeah. Hey, it's dinner time.